Have you ever caught yourself bouncing from one trading strategy to another, convinced that this one is finally going to be the winner? One week it's supply and demand. Next week it's ICT, then price action, then indicators, then something you saw on YouTube at 2 a.m. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know something right now. You're not broken, you're not stupid, and you're definitely not alone. Most traders get stuck in this exact loop, and today I'm going to show you why it happens and how to break out of it for good. This video will completely change how you see your trading journey. Why most traders stay stuck. I recently came across a framework about the stages of success in business, and it immediately clicked for trading. When I started mapping my own experience and watching thousands of traders over the years, I realized something powerful. Traders don't fail because of bad strategies. They fail because they get trapped in a cycle. Let's break down that cycle, step by step. Stage 1. Uninformed optimism. This is where everyone starts. Trading looks easy. You see screenshots of profits. You see lifestyles. You see freedom. Someone you follow is killing it, and you think, if they can do it, I can do it too. You're fired up. Motivation is sky high. So you jump in. You buy a course, join a Discord, or binge dozens of trading videos. You can already picture yourself winning. The problem? You don't yet understand what trading actually demands, and that leads us to Stage 2. Stage 2. Uninformed pessimism. Reality hits. Suddenly, you realize trading isn't just clicking buy and sell. There's risk management, emotional control, patience, discipline, consistency. And now doubt starts creeping in. You wonder, is this strategy even real? Did I get scammed? Am I just bad at this? Nothing is working the way you imagined, and it all comes to a head in Stage 3. Stage 3, the Valley of Despair. This is the breaking point. You're losing money. Confidence is gone. Frustration is maxed out. You start resenting the strategy, the mentor, the market, sometimes even yourself. This is where many traders quit completely. But most don't quit trading, they quit this strategy, which leads straight back to the beginning. Stage 4. Strategy hopping, the endless loop. Instead of fixing the real issue, you look for something new. A new system, a new mentor, a new indicator, a new edge. You tell yourself, this one will be different. And boom, you're back at uninformed optimism. Stages 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. Over and over again for years. This is the cycle that keeps traders stuck, permanently unprofitable. But here's the good news. There is a way out. Stage 5. Informed optimism. This is where things finally change. You've been through the pain. You understand trading isn't easy. You accept that it's a skill, not a shortcut. But now, optimism returns, for the right reasons. You commit to one strategy. You stop chasing. You focus on execution, risk management, patience, process over profits. Losses don't shake you the way they used to. You can finally say, I see where I was going wrong. This stage often lasts longer than you expect, but it's where real growth happens. And if you stick it out, you reach the final stage. Stage 6. Mastery and consistency. This is what every trader wants. You trade calmly. You follow your rules. You don't chase setups. You wait. Your system is clear. Your emotions are controlled. Your results are consistent. Most traders never reach this stage, not because they can't, but because they never commit long enough to earn it. If you're here, or even close, be proud of yourself. You broke the cycle. How to break free if you're still stuck. If you recognize yourself in stages 1 through 4, here's what you need to do. 1. Accept that trading is a skill. There is no holy grail, no secret strategy, no shortcut. 2. Commit to one strategy. Not forever, but long enough to truly master it. 3. Stop chasing better. There will always be new strategies. Your edge comes from execution, not novelty. 4. Manage risk like a business. Professionals protect capital first, profits come second. Final thoughts. The difference between profitable and unprofitable traders isn't intelligence, luck, or even strategy. It's commitment. If this video resonated with you, drop a comment and tell me, what stage are you in right now? And if you're ready to escape the cycle, check the link in the description and commit to one system long enough to give yourself a real chance. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.